What are the best ways to fix undercooked rice?
Hello there. We all know that sinking feeling when you've spent time preparing a delicious meal, only to find that your rice is undercooked. But don't fret. Undercooked rice is not a death sentence for your meal. Today, we'll be showing you some of the best ways to fix undercooked rice. Let's get started.
What does undercooked rice look like?
The first step is knowing how to identify undercooked rice. Undercooked rice is typically hard and chewy. It lacks the fluffiness and tenderness of well-cooked rice. This is because the water hasn't had time to penetrate the hard outer layer of the grains. If your rice feels like it's crunching under your teeth, it's undercooked.
How can we fix it?
Don't worry, there are several ways to fix undercooked rice. Here are a few simple methods. Method 1. Steam it more. The easiest and most straightforward way to fix undercooked rice is to simply add more water and continue to cook it. Add half a cup of water, cover the pot, and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Check it regularly to prevent it from getting mushy. Method 2. The microwave fix. Another method is to use your microwave. Place your undercooked rice in a microwave-safe container. Add a splash of water and cover the container with a microwave-safe lid or plate, leaving a small vent for steam to escape. Then microwave it on high for 2 minutes. This will create a steamy environment to continue cooking the rice. Method 3. The oven method. Finally, if you have more time, you can use your oven. Preheat it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, place your undercooked rice in an oven-safe dish. Add a little more water or broth, cover the dish with aluminum foil, and bake for about 20 minutes.
Tips to prevent undercooking in the future.
Now that we know how to fix undercooked rice, let's look at how to prevent it in the future. Measure your rice and water accurately. The usual ratio is 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Make sure you're cooking your rice on a low heat. This allows the water to slowly absorb into the rice and cook it evenly. Be patient and don't lift the lid too often. The steam trapped in the pot is crucial for cooking the rice. There you have it, folks. Undercooked rice is a hiccup that can be easily fixed. Remember, the key is to add a bit more water and give it more time to steam. And don't forget the tips to avoid undercooking your rice in the future. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy cooking, everyone!